To make the stuffing for the loaded potato, I'm making my own mixture. I have half a cup of Velveeta cheese, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese shredded, two two tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 onion minced, chopped up, one that's like 1 cup. I have chives there, one cup. I have sour cream, 1 cup of sour cream. I have olive oil. I have bacon bits. That's 4 bacons. That's sliced up turkey bacon. And I have a pound of shrimp cut up. I save at least 12 of them whole for the topping. And also I have broccoli there. That's like a cup and a half of broccoli. And you will need a teaspoon of butter. After letting your potatoes cook for like an hour, you're gonna take them out and let them cool off. I have my chicken grilling. I seasoned it with just basic complete. I have oregano on it. I have garlic, onion, a little paprika on it. And then I got over here my potato stuffing. You're gonna saute your onions for like 5 minutes. Have your mixed garlic ready, because after you're sauteing your onions for 5 minutes, you will be adding the garlic to it to saute it with it. And make sure you have your broccoli ready, because you'll be adding that next. So as you can see, I added the garlic, mixed garlic. And now I'm adding the broccoli. And I'm mixing it. And then, this is all mixed in. And then after adding the mixed broccoli, I'm just going to let it sit, and I'm going to cover it for like let it simmer for like 2 or 3 minutes. After letting the broccoli simmer, you're now adding the shrimp. After letting the broccoli simmer, add the shrimp. Remember the 12 pieces of whole with the bits. You're going to use the 12 pieces as a topping. And you're going to let it sit, and you're going to let it cook for like 7 minutes. You're going to let it steam. While that's doing that, I'm giving you a demonstration of the potato. To take it out, you're slicing it, and you're cutting it, and you're slicing it diagonally, sort of like crisscross. And then you're taking a spoon and you're scooping out the inside. You don't want to go too far deep into it, just the center, enough to take out the center. You can put it all in the same bowl, because we're going to mix this together to stuff it back. You could put it in a bowl with the Parmesan cheese. And I am adding Velveeta with mine, with this recipe, and the cream cheese. So remember, just slice it. And you're not going too far. You're leaving, I could say, like pinky, no, like 1/4 of the sides in, because we're going to stuff it back. with the stuffing. And here's the result of me scooping the insides of the potatoes out. And I have my filling, the chives, the bacon, the shrimp and broccoli is over there. I'm about to cut it off in the sour cream, and you're gonna need the butter. I'm gonna mix all that together. All of this with the broccoli and the shrimp and the onions and the garlic together. So this is the results of me adding the sauteed onion, the garlic, and the broccoli and the shrimp mixture, and with the Velveeta cheese and also the Parmesan cheese and the cream cheese. Well, not the cream cheese, the sour cream. I didn't put cream cheese in this time. And also I added some of the chives and the bacon bits, and the cut up shrimp is in there. But remember, I told you earlier to also don't dice up all the shrimp. Leave a few pieces of shrimp out for the topping. And also you're going to do the same with the bacon bits and the chives and the Parmesan cheese, because we're going to top it. And I started stuffing some of them already with the mixture, which tastes so delicious. This would be some good mashed potatoes. I started stuffing them already. I just wanted to stop and show you so far. And so now I started, I stuffed them, and now I'm beginning to put the, I put the shrimp in, and then you can do it any way, but I advise you to put the shrimp in first, and then you put the bacon bits, and then you put the cheese on top. And then I'm adding the Parmesan cheese over it, and I think I'm gonna cut up, depending on how it looks. Add your chives. I think I'm gonna no, I'm not gonna do parsley. This looks fine, just like this. Do your chives. The loaded baked potato with broccoli, cheese, turkey bacon. You can use pork bacon and shrimp. It's a meal in itself. One meal in itself. But I will take a picture of the end results, because I did make a side of chicken breast to go with it.